Now going to discuss the topic is binary search. In searching techniques, there are two types of search, that is linear search, another one is binary search. In linear search, only used for unordered list. Binary search mainly used to the ordered list, that is ordered means that is arranged in the ascending order. Binary search also called half interval search algorithm. It finds the position of a search element within a sorted array. Find the positions of a search element within a sorted array. The binary search algorithm can be done as divide and conquer search algorithm and executes in logarithmic time. For particularly binary search, time taken by log n. Next one is pseudocode for binary search. Start with the middle element, that is mid equal to high plus low divided by 2. In this binary search, we have to find the middle element, that is mid equal to high plus low divided by 2. If the search element is equal to the middle element of the array, then return the index of the middle element, that is particular middle element is equal to the search element. If the condition is true, means we finally got the particular element. What we have to search, this number is available in this list. The key that is called key value, the particular key values, that is called search element. What we going to search the particular number, that is called key value, that is called search element. We have to find first the mid value. Particular mid element is equal to the search element to check whether it is equal or not. If the condition is true, means we got the result. Otherwise, if not, means we have to then compare the middle element with the search value. Then compare the search element, that is search element less than middle element or search element greater than middle element. If the search element is greater than the number of middle index, means we have to search only the right side of the middle index. If the search element greater than middle element, means just we have to search the right side of the middle index. Otherwise, if the search element less than middle element, means we have to search from the left side of the middle index. This is the pseudocode for binary search. Next one is example, how to search particular number. You see, this is the example. Here there are 15 elements, that is 15 numbers. I want to search, for example, I want to search 42 number is here or not. I am going to check whether it is 42 number is available or not in this list. First step is we have to, this is the binary search mainly for the ordered list, that is sorted array, that is we have to arrange the elements in the ascending order. You see all the elements arranged in the ascending order, that is 3, 6, 8, 12, 14, likewise. Then this is called index value. This is called index value. Index first starting index is 1, ending index is 15. Next key value is 42. What is key value? Key value is a searching element. I am going to search the particular, that is 42 is available in this list or not. First one is procedure is what? We have to find the mid value. What is the formula for to find mid? Is equal to low plus high divided by 2. This is called mid value. Here I am pointing, this is the low value. Here I am pointing, this is the high value. Low value index is 1, high pointing the index is 15. So low 1, high 15. Then mid equal to low plus high, that is 1 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2. Mid value is 8. Mid equal to 8. You see 8th point pointing the mid value. Then check, that is the select element is, that is search element less than or greater than mid. See here, search element is 42. Mid value is 29. This one is the, compare this one, this is the greater value. So we have to omit this part because our key value is higher than mid value. So we omit this part. Divide conquer method means what? We have to split into two part, then find, then again and again we have to split the two parts likewise. Here this is the two part, that is this is one part, another one is one part. Compare this value, that is key value with the mid value. This is the omitted part because key value is higher than the mid value. So our searching element value is maybe in the greater values only. So we have to select here. So omit the first part. After that, this is the iteration 1. Then move to the iteration 2. Low, high. This is the omitted part. So I am going to choose, this is the low value. This is the high value. Low value, index value is what? 9. So L is 9. H1 is 15. Then find the mid value. Mid equal to, what is the formula for finding mid value? That is mid equal to low plus high divided by 2. 9 plus 15 divided by 2. The answer is 15 plus 9, that is 24 divided by 2. Mid value is 12. Mid equal to 12. 12th one point is 47. This is the mid value. Then we have to check the search element, that is 42 less than or greater than mid. Mid of 12 what? That is 47. Here 42. So this is the condition. Searching value is less than mid value. So now here this is the pointing the 47. This is the splitting part. Here to here splitting part, but we consider only this part because mid value is greater than the search value, that is searching element value. So we split we omit this part. We have to omit this part. We take only the part, that is 9 to 12 only.